Hi, I just wanted to come on here and talk about this book that I read recently, The Game of Life and How to Play It by Florence Shinn. And there's a beautiful line that says, "Man is God afraid." So I've read multiple books on the teachings of Jesus, on Shaivism, which is a derivative of Hinduism, the Kabbalion, or the Hermetic philosophies as well. And in all of these teachings, there is one common thread that God or divinity resides within each and every one of us. And it's just that we don't remember what we are in true sense. So, as we incarnate on Earth, which is a higher density dimension, in order to operate in the matrix, the soul takes a physical form with a body and a mind. And the mind is designed to function based on the memory stored in the DNA or the subconscious mind, which absorbs traits from the 3D environment throughout our lives and basically shape our personality, like your likes or your dislikes, then your fears, your outlook towards the world and life in general. So, in this process, the connection to the higher self or your superconscious mind diminishes like a drop of water, losing awareness of its origin in the vast sea of infinite intelligence. So, to me, God is an infinite intelligence where intentions transform seamlessly into reality. And this divine essence exists within infinite abundance where every conceivable possibility unfolds across different timelines, all occurring at the same time or simultaneously, because the concept of time does not exist in the pure consciousness. Now, if we are whole like God or infinite like God because we have also come from the same source, then we are also living in multiple realities or timelines simultaneously, but our consciousness is so limited in the current reality that we are unable to shift to that desired timeline in an instant just with the mere thought of that desired reality, because again the thought comes from an impure source, that is the mind. So, when thoughts come from a place of pure intention, which is detached by the matrix programming, those intentions have much higher potential to become reality sooner or shift timeline sooner because they come from our superconscious mind. And that is how even the law of attraction or the law of assumption also works. We will talk about these universal laws in much more depth in the upcoming videos, and hope you like the insights that I shared in this video. If you'd like to share your thoughts on the same, you can always comment down below. And thanks a lot for listening. We'll meet soon in the next video. Bye bye.